Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friend. It's a surprise story. It can either be your good night story or it can be a surprise story. It's your choice. It's Mrs. Hensley's night story. I'm going to sleep soon. After I go and take my makeup off, I'm going night nights. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Mrs. Hensley's sleepy. So, I'm going to read Alphabet Adventure by Audrey Wood and Bruce Wood. They are the author and the illustrators. Are you ready? Because I know I am. Okay, let's go. Alphabet Adventure. Here's our title page. Alphabet Adventure. Okay. Oh, it's going to be kind of hard to show all of it. Since I has a hard time with this. I don't know why, but I do. Let's see here. Needs to go this way. Okay. The little leftovers from Charlie's alphabet had worked hard all summer long, learning how to be a good team. At last, their teacher, capital T, was taking them away from Alphabet Island to their first day of school. They could hardly wait. They wanted to have the child learn his ABCs. Can you see that? There's a little bit of a glare, isn't there? I'm sorry. There we go. Can you see that? Maybe Mrs. Hensley will read it this way, and then I'll show you the picture. But as they were marching over a bridge, the little letter I tripped on a bump. Help! She cried, tumbling into the water below. Working together, the letters quickly made a chain and rescued little I. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Good work, Charlie's alphabet, capital T said. Now please return to your alphabet order. The little letters were so excited that many forgot their correct places. Some didn't face front or stand straight, and others turned upside down. Try again, capital T exclaimed, and this time call out your names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They called out their names in perfect order. But something was wrong with one of the letters. What could it be? Do you see anything wrong with the letters? Let's find out. Little I, capital T exclaimed, your dot is missing. Where is it? I don't know, little I said. I had it this morning. A little I must always have its dot, capital T said. We can't go to school if our I has no dot. Capital T looked at the water. When little I fell in, her dot must have popped off and floated away. Hurry! School begins soon. We must find her dot or we'll be late. Charlie's Alphabet found a boat and hopped in. They traveled through the canals of the island, searching for the dot, but they didn't see it anywhere. At last, they came to a place where the capital letters were having a big party. Maybe my dot is at the party, Little Ice said. The little letters searched high and low, but they still couldn't find the dot. I'm sorry, capital T said. I'm afraid Little I's dot is lost forever. Each letter had worked so hard to make Charlie's alphabet perfect. Now, no one would be going to school. All of the little letters burst into tears. Capital I stopped by to see what was the matter. Maybe I can help, he said. Dots love to hide and they're difficult to find, but I have a plan. Capital I whispered his plan to the little letters. All of the letters except little I raced down the streets of Alphabet Island, searching for what they needed to make the plan work. Before long, they returned with the things they had found and lined up in alphabetical order. Capital I spoke loudly. Because we cannot find Little I's dot, she must choose one of these things to put in its place. All the things that start with letters, huh? Little I scooted down to little S and tried on a star. Ouch, she cried. The points on the star are too prickly. She hopped over to little H and tried on a heart. This heart is too heavy, she said. It makes me crumple. She bounced back to little B and tried on a bug. I can't wear this, she said with a giggle. It's too wiggly. Then she noticed little C. I think that bright red cherry looks perfect, she said. It's much nicer than my dot ever was. I don't care if my silly dot stays on Alphabet Island forever. Little I was about to put on the cherry when a teeny tiny weeny whiny voice cried out. I'm not silly. You can't leave me behind. With that, Little I's dot popped out of its hiding place and jumped into its proper spot. Your dot wasn't lost at all, capital I told them. It was just following you around playing hide and seek. Do you guys like playing hide and seek? I know my grandson loves playing hide and seek. Now that they were a complete alphabet again, all of the letters hurried to get to school on time. 1 minute before the bell rang, the little letters climbed aboard a yellow pencil and took off. Ooh, look at all the alphabet letters on the pencil. Pretty cool, huh? When they arrived at their school, capital T pointed to a boy staring at a blank piece of paper. "It's time for you to go to work, little letters," she said. "That boy needs your help to learn his alphabet. Can you guess his name?" They all looked closely at the boy. Suddenly they knew where they belonged. The little letters were so happy they jumped for joy. And made their very first word. It says Charlie T, or just Charlie. Well, T's right over here, so I think it's just Charlie. Very cool, huh? Okay, friends, Mrs. Hensley is ready to go wash my face and brush my teeth and go to bed. And if you haven't brushed your teeth, and well, I don't know if you wash your face before you go to bed. Mrs. Hensley washes her face before she goes to bed, or has to sometimes take a shower or a bath or whatever I need to do. But I definitely need to wash my face, and I definitely need to brush my teeth and floss my teeth before I go to bed. So Mrs. Hensley is going to go finish getting ready for bed. I hope you guys have a great evening. If that's when you're watching this, sweet dreams, sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Mrs. Hensley always wishes you sweet, sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, and if you're, no matter what time of the day this is, sweet dreams. If you're watching it in the morning, then guess what? You can have sweet dreams that night, right? Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Well, no, if you're going to bed, you're not. But sweet dreams if you're going to bed. If you're not going to bed, have a great rest of your day. And Mrs. Hensley will talk to you bright and early in the morning. I'll see you, friends.